welcome to Us Filipina Twins. I'm Trish.
And I'm Trisha, and today we're going to be eating these snacks. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then we hit 2,000 subscribers. I think it's 2,000. That we're going to do a draw, and we're going to give one of you lucky winners $100. So let's see what we have today. We have I don't even know what this is. Toasted bread, but it's Filipit. Oh, tap. I'm good.
Tap? Okay.
And then we have piatos, cheese.
Piatos. Cheese balls.
Shrimp cropic. Cropic?
Grope. It's a V cut.
Why do you get all the easy names? And then Chippy barbecue corn chips.
Polvoron ube guinea pig.
Guinea pig.
Yay.
But yeah. So what should we try first? Okay, let's close your eyes first. Close your eyes, don't like pick. Close. Pick. Now. One. Just you have to pause. There's 2 on top. Pick 2. This?
How am I supposed to know I'm
You're saying liquid. Okay, go.
Oh my gosh. Can you guys see through the table? I gotta check a message.
Hurry up. This is it. What?
The blue.
Oh yay.
Why is the wrapping so?
This is what it looks like. Looks like chalk. Why are you opening it like that? I'm not gonna eat the whole thing because I'm gonna save the rest. This face. We didn't even say go yet. Okay. It doesn't taste like ube to me. But it tastes good. When you bite it, it reminds me of chalk, like you know, when chalk scratches the board, that's what it felt like against my teeth. It tastes good, but I don't like chewing it like that. So. Ew! This is gross. Ew, that's disgusting. Your thoughts? Didn't work. It tastes like cookies and cream. Yeah, it doesn't taste like ube. It tastes good. Does that say ube? Oh yeah, I just said ube. It doesn't taste like ube. Tastes good though. Okay, next. We're gonna taste this one. I did not just hamburger. This is the Beet cut cheese flavored potato chips. You're so funny. Do you say that how you can say it? Anyways. Take one. You're so scary. What the heck? Oh, let's say why is it so small? What? Why called V cut? They taste regular chips.
It's like wavy
Yeah,
cheese.
wave cheese. You know wavy?
Why are you interrupting me?
Like American chips, wavy chips.
You know. No, I don't want it.
bread.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
What's the name?
Oh, cheese balls. Smells very cheesy. Can you stop when we're doing a video right now? Fire.
I'm not a fan of cheese balls. They're okay. They're okay. I don't like cheese balls in general. But we're gonna try this one. Especially put the sauce aside. Felipe twisted bread.
Really dry.
Hmm?
Really dry. Something like that.
Okay, we got it open.
Oh. A bag in a bag? That's what it was supposed to.
Well, I am supposed to open this. Oh, okay. Got one. Oh! It looks funny.
Oh. We're hard.
They are hard. They'd be better if they were softer. They're good though. I eat this as a snack. It's really hard. It tastes good though. It's not sugary.
Yeah, it
It
doesn't
tastes
taste
like-
sweet. Like it has sugar on it, but it don't taste
It
sugary.
just tastes like regular hard, like, you know when you toast bread, the toast bread of the crust, that's what it tastes like.
We already, we'd say that one later. We already ate another two. Oh, tap sugar biscuit. Now tastier, crispier, and flakier.
New improved.
What happened with the first time? Oh my god. Ow! Oh my
Shredder, you scared me! You're not funny.
Oh, they come as individually papered?
Oh, you can see that in the kid.
I didn't know they're individually papered.
See that in the back? See through the paper.
There's two in here.
Oh, for real?
Ooh. Oh, yeah, they didn't lie when they said flaker. This is what it looks like. It looks very crispy.
Yes,
it
it looks like it has a lot of sugar.
It's like this.
Yeah. Except, wait, no, it doesn't. This is better. I like this.
It tastes like cereal.
Mmm.
It tastes like that one dude. He's this orange tiger. He be like, eat it.
Oh.
They're great. Something like that. What is his name? Cornflakes.
Yeah, cornflakes. Cornflakes, the sugar. That's what this tastes like. It's really good. Don't eat all of it. I want it. Ew.
The food was. Wait.
These look like rice crackers. I mean, not rice crackers.
Sorry, it's a rice cracker.
Those are
Fish
these
crackers.
Fish.
Pig skin. Pig skin crackers.
I don't know. They look like rice crackers.
That man can like put in like vinegar or something.
Now we
Yeah,
got
it's-
vinegar.
But Trisha said it was plain.
It was plain.
So once you get vinegar, see if the flavor is better.
Mm. 10 out of 10. I recommend Well, not alone, but with vinegar, because it tastes plain by itself. It tastes like nothing. Don't eat all of this. I want some. She got almost every snack so far.
Oh my god, they're so good.
It's the last one, I swear.
Apparently you don't know how to open a bag of chips no more.
Oh. Looks like Fritos.
Smells like Fritos.
Tastes like Fritos.
Oh, it's like
These are
Fritos.
good. They taste like regular American Frito chips. But you don't really eat Fritos unless they're like really the last bag inside of the, and you're really hungry and it's the last bag inside of the.
I'd rather be hungry than eat the Fritos.
Next, last one. Oh, last one. I'm so slow. I forgot.
We have one more. It's another cheese flavor. If it's good, I'm keeping this one. If it's good, yeah, shut up. She's fat. She keeps saying, "Save me the last one. I want the rest." Like,
Yes.
they're so good. This is why we should eat it.
Whoa! Yeah, I want these. I want these. That's not fair. Chips. That's not fair. Oh, actually, the other one tastes better anyways.
I'm going.
These are really good. Oh, I dropped it. Anything cheese flavored chips? Muy bueno.
It's more bien.
Muy bien.
What?
Oh no,
My mom.
you should fly.
She got me scared from an outside. So guys, let's eat the rest of these and have a little ventation.
No.
Guys,
Alright, so
I'm
my
so
favorite is this one and this one.
I was literally telling a story.
My least favorite, sorry, is this one. Anyways, and I recommend 10 out of 10 all of them. Okay, go. Oh, not this one. This is also my dislike. It's really chalky.
I got an exceeding for explaining how pizzas were made.
I said, call Domino's. Are you serious?
Oh, my mom. I can't take a picture. Guys, I'm gonna tell you my whole story.
I don't think they care about
Please
you
don't
deliver
stop
pictures.
it. I want to tell my story, okay? Wouldn't be fair if you guys get to tell a story and I don't get to tell a story. I never get to tell a story. Okay. First is think about pizza. Then dial Domino's and order a large meat lover pizza with Sprite. 3. Domino's gets a call, picks up the phone, and writes down order, quote unquote, large meat lover with Sprite, quote unquote, says it'll take 30 minutes, then hangs up. Step 4. The pizza delivery processes the order, then tells the cooker. 5. The cooker then gets the ingredients ready. 6. Cooker then gets the dough that was resting for an hour. 7. Shapes it into a large circle, placing tomato sauce, cheese, and varieties of meat.
Oh my God.
8. After everything is applied, then put it in a cooling furnace and let it sit for 20 minutes. 9. Brings pizza out and applies any final touches. 6. Then tells delivery guy it's done. 7. Rings the bell. 8. Wait, what did I get 8? Don't forget, just forget one number. The delivery guy then takes pizza, puts it in a pizza bag, then gets in the car and drives to the caller's location. Gets out, car arrives at door, then walks up to the front door and knocks. Then the other person hears the door knocking and opens the door, gives the money, sees the pizza, and is appreciative. And I got an exceeding for that. I don't know what it is. I live a hard life. That's really hard. Like, I have to think about it for a good 10 minutes on how pizza was made. It was so hard.
Anyways, thanks. Wait, you're supposed to rate which one's your favorite, which one's your least favorite. Go.
My favorite.
Mm-hmm.
Least favorite. Least favorite.
Which one? This? This your favorite? Least favorite.
Oh, least. These are my least favorite.
Oh yeah, least favorite.
Favorite.
Oh, I really like cheese.
Favorite. That's it.
Just cheese. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe so we hit 2,000 subscribers. We can do a draw and give one of you guys $100. And comment down below what else you guys want to see.
Thank you. Bye. Excuse me. Restart. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching the Us Filipina Twins. God bless. Amen.
Amen.